The Highlights plugin within MyEyedro displays convenient at-a-glance summaries of electrical consumption and estimated costs for all sensors of a selected display group. The graph displays your hourly cost or consumption, as well as a rolling 4-week average shown in orange. The bottom left-hand corner displays your billing summary, including the cost to date and estimated total cost for the billing period. The gauge to the right details the current total electricity demand. Then, starting in the top right-hand corner, is the total cost or consumption so far, as well as a projection for the day. Below that is a percentage projecting how far above or below your average daily cost or consumption you are expected to fall. Next is the current price you are paying per kilowatt hour. Lastly is the maximum and minimum demand during the day, as well as the time at which they occurred. Clicking the cog icon in the top right-hand corner will expand the plugin settings. This selection box allows you to change which display group is being viewed. To view all settings, tick the More Options checkbox. The display type allows you to see data on consumption or cost. The Compare icon selector lets you specify which graphic is used for projection. Gauge Min and Gauge Max allow you to specify a custom range for the demand gauge. Gauge Color allows you to customize the range each color takes up in the demand gauge. Lastly is a checkbox that tells Highlights to ignore the minimum demand if it isn't higher than 0. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the next plugin overview video.